our well-loved Puto. What if we make it even softer and fluffier? And what if we even dress it and top it for the season? The more we will love it. Join me and let's make this Puto even lovable. You're watching the Filipino food series. Let's join Romulo at his small kitchen. Warm welcome, Romulo, your Kuya uncle here. As you've heard in the introduction, we're making soft and fluffy Puto, an enhancement to the classic Puto that we know. It's easy, only one addition, and no oven needed. As traditionally done, we'll steam it. We'll have to wear this apron, this will be dusty. Our ingredients here, I'll just have to show you the ingredients now. We need for the classic Puto, just 1.5 cup of ordinary flour and baking powder, plus the sugar, and of course water. And since we're making soft and fluffy Puto, it's Puto cake, we're adding some softening ingredients where we will be making meringue. And for the meringue, I'll be using 4 eggs and 1/4 cup sugar. It's time to prepare the dry ingredients. The discipline in baking is work with the dry ingredients first and to strain or to sift the flour and the baking soda to get rid of the buo, as they say. Yes, the buo or the lumps of flour and sugar. Good exercise. We're gonna mix our butter now. Oh, by the way, let's add the sugar also. This is a very easy recipe. No machine or equipment needed. Just your ordinary mixing whisker, or even a ladle, a fork. Gradually, we add the water. Just have patience in mixing to get an evenly mixed or uniform batter. See? Smooth and silky. I will have to show you the equipment, basic equipment that we need. This steamer that you've seen in our other earlier episodes. And here I've got silicone muffin molds, but they're too small for the liners and the molds, but they will do. Let's prepare our meringue. Be careful. When making meringue, it's always good to have a squeaky clean mixing bowl. Any trace of fat will ruin your meringue. Really, it will not form. Don't worry, Romulo, we have a tool for retrieving that. This is the tool. We will have to retrieve the egg there, or the egg yolk. Done. Now it's time to beat the egg, or the egg white. I need some air protection. This is high power and it always gives me pain. It always gives him pain. You can do this manually, although it takes time. That's why I opted to use this mixer. Start slowly, and then after 2 minutes, set it at high. Some use cream of tartar to stabilize the meringue, but if you don't have it, 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, well, no, not sugar, of vinegar will do. Some say it's optional, but it gives a rubbery texture and it makes the meringue more stable. I still have some cream of tartar here, fortunately, although vinegar should have worked as well. And then we'll gradually add the sugar. Gradually. This is my second mixer already in Holland. The first was smaller than this, but since I've been baking bread for years, I needed a stronger one. That's why I had this. Is it ready? We should have stiff peaks, but this is a check. It's good. To check whether your meringue is ready is that they should have a stiff peaks, but you can also do this. If it holds, it's ready. I call it the helmet check.
Even if it wasn't?
Then do it again. Accident.
Accident.
Okay. Now, let's fold in our meringue into the batter. I didn't show you the first part of the folding, but I started with the half of the meringue. I folded it in first, and then once it's relatively even, I added in the rest of the meringue. And this is what I'm doing now. This is the second half, or second portion of the meringue. The batter is ready for filling. Let's fix first our mold here with linings. Christmas linings. They really look good against blue. Slowly, avoid spills from below. There should be a better scoop for filling this muffin molds. Let's steam our Puto cake. While our Puto cooks, I'd like to invite you to check out our other channel, Mi Barrio Mi Mundo. It's a channel on travels, events, and places. We do the toothpick check and see if the toothpick returns clean. Yes, it is. It is. Let's check our Puto. Voila! Look at that. See how soft it is. How silky. It's good. Plain Puto is delicious, but let's make it even more delicious by topping it with grated cheese. Sliced cheese will also do. And return it to the steamer for around 2 minutes just to melt the cheese. And then how about adding more color to the cheese by applying this orange colored butter. I ran out of cheese, that's why for this last batch I'll just be topping them with butter, orange colored butter, just to give it more contrast to the blue lining, more appealing. Okay. And that is our preparation. Look at that, nice color. Our soft and fluffy Puto. Today's Christmas kakanin cooking soft Puto cake here on Channel Waht. Don't forget to join me again as I bring you more food, more kakanin from the homeland for this season. If you're watching this during Christmas time, Merry Christmas. If you enjoy watching, don't forget to share. I-bida natin, i-share natin ng ating pagkain Pinoy sa buong mundo. Until next time, your Kuya and Uncle here in Romelo, to your steak patty from Pangasinan, cooking in Holland. Until next time.